Today is Saturday and I'm not going to be trading today. Also, I want to advocate that to you too. Always make sure you take a break. Always make sure you rest because this trading game consume a lot of mental power, mental stress. This game consume us mentally. So I want to like advocate and tell you guys to also try to learn to take break. And while taking your break, you can just like analyze all the charts you took during the day, like during the like working weeks or all your previous chart, the reason why you win, the reason why you lose, just like take a minute to analyze it. And while taking a break from trading is going to teach you patience because imagine you taking a break for like 2 weeks not trading, and if you the next 2 weeks you resume trading the third week, if you go to the chart you open it, the market is still open. With that you are going to get the mindset of the market is not running anyway, I should be the one to like calm myself, you understand, and we should not allow this trading career to engulf our lifestyle because I won't lie, I'm actually facing it for another video. But at this moment, I want to advocate rest. Rest. Like you see, you are going to benefit a lot. That patient is going to be number one. That I'm going to even like say psychologically, you are going to like realize that the market is not running away. My strategy is there. If I come back the next 2 years, my strategy is still going to be working. You understand that type of stuff. Slowly, your psychology will have it down. The market is not running away. It's going to be giving you like more patience to, and like it's going to make you realize that you have to wait for your setup sometimes before you take trade. So take it from me, because sometimes I take 1 or 2 weeks break. Sometimes I won't trade for the day, and if I should open the market the next day, the next week, the market is still going to be running, and I'm just going to feel like the market did not go anywhere. I know you always feel like, yeah, I just want to jump on the chart, I want to take trade, I want to like make money, but it is not really about that. Even it is because of the money, that is why we are there, but it is not really about that. We have to learn to enjoy the process, learn to take a break, learn to know when to stop, learn to know how to rest. And while you are resting also, you are working your psychology, you are working your mentality towards this trading game. So today I want to advise you and advocate rest. REST, rest.